It's now proposed to permit all inbound travelers to India to use UPI for their merchant payments, that is P2M, while they're in the country. The next measure relates to extending UPI for inbound travelers to India. UPI has become hugely popular for retail digital payments in India. It's now proposed to permit all inbound travelers to India to use UPI for their merchant payments, that is P2M, while they're in the country. To begin with, this facility will be extended to travelers from G20 countries arriving at select international airports. And this is to begin with. Going forward, obviously it will be expanded based on our experience. And the last announcement again relates to, it's an announcement which is again for the benefit of the common person. This relates to QR code based coin vending machine and launching of a pilot project. The Reserve Bank of India will launch a pilot project on QR code based coin vending machine in 12 cities. These vending machines will dispense coins against debit to customers' account using UPI instead of physical tendering of bank notes. This will enhance the ease of access to coins. Based on the learnings from the pilot, guidelines will be issued to banks to promote distribution of coins using these machines.